found an SWB file in an old Visual C++ project and wondering what it does. This is a code browsing index file used by older Microsoft development tools. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Visual C browser information files are and how to handle them. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your SWB file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. An SWB file is a non-solution browser file generated by Microsoft Visual C++. It stores parsed information about the source code in a project, enabling features like find all references and go to definition. Developers encounter this file as part of the build process, and its purpose is to accelerate code navigation. The SWB file is a proprietary binary database format, essentially an index of the project's symbols, classes, and functions. It was designed to be quickly memory mapped and queried by the Visual Studio IDE, offloading the parsing work from real-time analysis to the compilation step, thus improving IDE responsiveness. We recommend using Microsoft Visual Studio by Microsoft Corporation to ensure proper reading of SWB. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows shows minimal information, so reading the index requires compatible analysis software. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your SWB file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Visual Studio first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. When a SWB file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The reason is usually simple, involving one of three common issues. Here is a quick breakdown of what they are and how to check them. First, leaving files alone. SWB files are intermediate build artifacts that should not be opened or modified manually. Visual C++ regenerates these files automatically during compilation. Adding them to gitignore prevents source control bloat. Deleting SWB files is safe as the IDE recreates them from project source code on next build. Next, regenerating in Visual Studio. If SWB files become corrupted causing browser navigation issues, open the project in Visual Studio, perform a full rebuild through Build Then Rebuild Solution, which regenerates all browser information files. The fresh files restore go-to-definition and other IntelliSense-like features dependent on the symbol index. Finally, migrating to modern Visual Studio. Modern Visual Studio versions use IntelliSense and the SQL Server compact database for code navigation rather than SWB files. Upgrade legacy. Visual C++ projects through File, then Open, then Project to convert to current Visual Studio format. The upgraded project gains modern IntelliSense without the legacy SWB browser system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.